Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the world of beauty products with honesty, expertise, and a little touch of glamour. Today, we're checking out something designed to give your brows a polished, effortless look. Estée Lauder's The Brow Multitasker 3-in-1 Tool in 02 Light Brunette. It's a clever little combo, a pencil, powder, and brush, all rolled into one sleek tool. Right off the bat, the design is compact and travel-friendly. The pencil side is retractable, so no sharpening fuss, and the built-in brush helps you blend and tame your brows with precision. The shade I'm testing, Light Brunette, is aimed at those with fair to medium brown hair tones and has a soft, natural finish. Estée Lauder promises a subtle, polished look that's not too harsh, ideal for everyday wear. I've been using this tool as part of my morning routine, and I have to say, it's pretty seamless. The pencil glides easily, allowing for hair-like strokes, while the powder adds a gentle fill-in without looking cakey. The brush really comes in handy to blend and shape everything perfectly. I've tried it on days where I'm rushing, and even in those quick moments, it gives a natural lift without smudging or fading too quickly. That said, if you're looking for something super bold or dramatic, you might need a little extra product or a separate gel to hold brows in place all day. What I love about this tool is its versatility. The pencil is precise, the powder softens the look, and the brush finishes it off beautifully. On the flip side, because it's all in one, the powder doesn't last as long as some standalone brow powders I've used, and the brush, while convenient, isn't quite as dense as a dedicated spoolie. When it comes to value, Estée Lauder isn't the cheapest brand out there, but for a high-quality, multi-purpose brow tool, it feels justified. You're getting a precise pencil, a soft powder, and a functional brush in one, which is a definite space saver and perfect for travel or minimalistic routines. Compared to other high-end brow kits, it's right on par with the quality and ease of use, though some drugstore options offer similar shades and tools for less, but without the luxury packaging and brand prestige. The packaging itself is solid and chic, classic Estée Lauder. It's lightweight yet durable, so it holds up well in a makeup bag. Since this is a pencil and powder combo, the longevity of the product on your brows is decent. It lasts most of the day, especially if you set your brows afterward. If you're someone who likes a fuss-free brow routine with professional results, this could be a great addition to your collection. It blends convenience with quality and keeps your brows looking polished and natural. If this review has been helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so other beauty lovers can find us too. Your support allows us to keep making honest, in-depth reviews right here on Beautyistic. For those curious about trying it, you'll find the purchase link in the description box below. And if you've already given the Brow Multitasker a go, drop your thoughts in the comments. I love seeing how others are styling their brows. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.